Hi guys, welcome in Chefika's kitchen. My name is Nestle and in today's episode I will make tomato mozzarella bruschettas. And these are what we need. Some baguette, tomatoes, garlic, fresh mozzarella and sun-dried tomato spread. And I also need some olive oil. First, I will slice my breads that we can toast them. I did sliced my bread. Now I will put them on my baking pan and let them get toasted in my preheated oven for around 10 minutes. I did preheat my oven to 400 degrees. During my bread is in the oven and get toasted, I will prepare my topping. I will take my tomatoes and peel them first. I'm going to cut my tomatoes in half and take that juicy part out. We don't want that our bread gets too mushy. That's why I'm going to take that out. And then I just cut my tomatoes in little cubes. Now I take my tomatoes in my mixing bowl . Now the same thing I'm gonna do with my mozzarella too. I'm just gonna cut it in little cubes. I add my cheeses to my tomatoes. Then I'm gonna take one garlic, put my knife over and just slap with my hand on my knife to crush my garlic and just slice it in really fine little cubes. Now I add my garlic also to my mixing bowl. My baguettes did now came out of the oven. They did get a really nice toasted color on it. Now I take my olive oil and just drizzle a little on top. And then I take my garlic, slice it in half and rub it over my bread to infuse my bread with garlic. After that, I take my tomato paste and add a little on top of my bread. After I did that, I take my mixture, my topping, give it a quick stir, and then I'm gonna put a little on top. My bruschettas are now ready. I take a little tiny pinch of salt and put it on top. Also a few cracks of black pepper. My bruschettas are now ready. You can serve them like that, or what I like, to give them back in the oven for another 3 minutes. That way your mozzarella starts to melt a little and your tomatoes get soft and all the flavors combine together. My bruschettas were now in the oven for 3 minutes at 400 degrees. I like to serve them with a little drizzle of olive oil. And these are my tomato mozzarella bruschettas. A delicious finger food what you can serve on any party or get together. If you have any questions, please leave them down the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. And these are my delicious bruschettas.
Now it's my turn to do. These are my delicious bruschettas.
Kameraya bak öyle söyle.
These are my delicious bruschettas for teyze.
Şimdi de please subscribe.
Please.
Subscribe. Please subscribe. Okay. Please subscribe and like the video. Now your turn.
Please subscribe and you like my video. Now let's take the picture.
Tamam, picture çekecek oradan. Bak sen oraya.